Today's the last day of our tour. It's been a hell of a ride, and it's been a lot of fun. It's been great getting to know all these guys as well. Joining together for these miles through Colombia has been absolutely spectacular. So we're cleaning up the bikes one more time and saddling up for our last ride into Medellin.
Cuando bebo el aroma de tu risa,
te recuerdo esperándome a la puerta para iluminar mi vida de deseo. Te recuerdo jugueteando con mi pelo y el amor que había en las noches de desvelo.
y ya no estás. Se acabó la fantasía y ahora vuelvo a llenar de magia y besos hoy tu cuerpo.
Oh, there's ice cream in here. There's melon. There's pineapple. There's banana. What else is there here? I don't even know. I think mango or something like that. Papaya. She just chopped everything up and fresh fruit and put it in here. Great. This is delicious. This is the best tasting thing I've had on the whole trip. This is great.
Nada, Pedrito, que llegó.
Songo 21. Te deseo, dale.
Una cosita de herramientas de camión
¿Por qué?
que lo encontré allí en la panadería.
Amor y felicidad es todo lo que mereces. En la vida te lo digo. Siempre tienes que aprender a dar valor a las cosas. Mira, entrégate, mujer, que tú vas a ver. Te deseo mucha suerte. Amor y felicidad es todo lo que.
We're heading back to Medellin and get back into town and probably have a few cervezas and enjoy my last night here in Colombia.
What a ride. I think it was just the best. Total, it was a blast. It was a blast. Roads were a little rough in places, but a little sad that it's over. Actually, real sad that it's over.
Ya van a echar, que llegó el songo nada más. Mira, mami, rico que viene.
The authentic imitation Irish pub here in Medellin. This is Al's bar, and we're stopping for one last picture and maybe a cerveza. If not now, certainly a half dozen later, right? All right.
I'm ordering up the rum, but it's just going to be beer. I have to get proper drunk tonight.
Welcome back to Medellin. That was a nice ride.
Club Colombia.
Cheers.
Salud.
Salud. Yeah, salud.
I think it was a good time. Good friends, good food, adventure.
Oh, well, I have to go home tomorrow, unfortunately. So it's back to reality.
Just gonna have to come back next year, which I'm already planning.